second type of movement is osmosis, which is a type of diffusion involving water only. This is where water moves from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration through a partially permeable membrane. Again, this movement is passive, requiring no energy. If you look at this diagram, how will the liquid move in the capillary tube? You would expect it to move up over time. The whisking tubing is used in kidney dialysis machines as it acts as an artificial partially permeable membrane and has microscopic holes in which it lets small molecules like water through, but larger molecules such as sucrose can't cross it. This would mean water moves from the beaker, where it is in high concentration, into the whisking tube where it is in low concentration. Sometimes a red dye can be added to these experiments to make it easier to see the liquid move. Let's take a look at how osmosis can affect plants and animals. When a plant cell is placed in pure water, water is drawn into the cell, causing the cytoplasm and the vacuole to push against the cell wall, and the cell becomes turgid. This supports non-woody parts of the plant, such as young stems and leaves. It also holds the stem upright, so leaves can carry out photosynthesis properly. When placed in a concentrated solution, water is lost. The cell contents shrink and pull away from the cell wall. The cell becomes flaccid and causes plants to wilt, whereby the leaves will droop and collapse. This protective action is important for reducing water loss by reducing the exposed surface area of the leaf and closing the stomata. When placed in a highly concentrated solution, the cell loses more water and the cell undergoes plasmolysis. In animals, if red blood cells, for example, were placed in pure water, water will enter into these cells, causing them to swell and eventually burst. When red blood cells are placed in a concentrated solution, water will leave the cell, causing it to shrivel and shrink. Osmosis is important in allowing water to move into the plants via the roots. Hi, my name is Mr. Science, aka Salim. If you're new to the channel, please remember to like and subscribe. And for more teaching resources, you can visit my website at www.mrscience.co.uk.